What is up? In the 48th day, let's pick a nice 6Q kata, set it to strings, fuck, again, yeah, and let's work on it. I just read the How to Solve It by George Polya, got some interesting ideas. I think I even memorized one by heart. Just give me a second. No, I did not memorize it, damn. But it's been a long time since I memorized anything by heart, so you know. How, like, what did I expect? Stop spinning my words. Yeah, let's do this one. Ah, okay. Uh-huh. Write a function that takes in a string of one or more words and returns the same string but with all 5 or more letter words reversed, just like the name of this kata. Strings passed in will consist of only letters and spaces. Spaces will be included only when more than one word is present, which basically means that the the input will be appropriate all the times. Let us train, and so if I understand this kata correctly, we must first recognize words in a string, then check if choose all the words that are 5 words or longer, and then just reverse words in them, you know. And I guess we do not have to worry about the initials, because the initials just stays where it is. And I think that is pretty simple, because we could say right here, just take a sentence, and I bet this is possible with one-liner, but we're not gonna do it. So what we're gonna do is make a list of words, and we're gonna make a we're gonna say sentence dot split at spacebar. Now for every word in list of words, what we're gonna do is to say if length of word is greater than 4, then what we want to do is to reverse it. And right now, at my current point of Python programming language, I think that can be only done by either by like selecting a proper index element and redefining it. So we say enumerate function, which gives us index variable, and then we say list of words, and we choose the x element, and we define it to word just reversed. And after that, we just return the list, or rather, we like I don't really understand some of this method. We just return the list of words as string again. String object has no attribute reversed. Alright, so I guess we first have to make like a list out of this word and then reverse it. Reverse it and then and then make it into a so let's see if this will work first. Reverse iterator. Alright, and then it's reversed, and then we wanna make it then we wanna join this list. That's a mess, kind of. Yeah, that passes the test, you know. That passes the test. So can we make it better before we do a submit or a commit? Well, is there a better way to reverse a word than what's happening here? Or is there maybe a better way to make a list? I don't know. Is there a... because I do not really have any measures to measure my code up against. Shit, I might need to work on that. Submitting your final solution and see what other people have come up with. Loading. This submitting always takes such a long time. I don't know why. What is this? Monads? What are monads? Monad. A functional programming abstractions. Monads and gonads. Don't fear the monad. Wow, people didn't even delete the comment. Your code goes here. Well, this is just a fucked up code, you know. Why is this voted best practice? I guess people just tend to vote best practice anything that's in one line. Because okay, let's try to decipher it. So obviously the programmers made a list that needs to be joined in the end. But over here is what we can see is an if statement, else statement, and for loop in one line. And this is a kind of a some kind of a string or list operator. If length x is more or equal to 5, else x for x in sentence split. Well, fuck, man, this is so confusing. There are like 42 comments. I bet they're like, this is not best practice at all. Why is that? Okay, this dude is actually learning. Wow. List comprehensions. Today I learned. Wow. Yeah, I submitted my first ever kata on code force. Well, congratulations. Very nice solution. Couldn't stop thinking about whether there is a generator version of the split method. Well, I do not know what that means. What does a generator version of the split method mean? Yeah, this guy said, who on earth voted this for best practices? Readability is non-existent. And this dude said, if you're not able to understand this type of code, just train harder. Readability is fine, even it would have been better to use Word instead of X, yes, or at least W. The problem here is that it uses list comprehension instead of generator comprehension. On this point, this solution is bad, yes. So there is a difference. So we have list comprehension and generator comprehension, and I guess it's better generator comprehension. So let's see what's a list comprehension. If I in X offers a short syntax when you want to create a new list based on the values of an existing list. Yeah. My GF really knows her way around animals. Generator comprehension. Let's see what's a generator comprehension. List comprehension and generator expressions. Do you know the difference between the following syntax? That and that and that? Wow. I do not. And I guess I should. That's interesting. Maybe I'll make a task for myself until tomorrow to like check this one. And I guess this is a good kata. So let's see if this dude made any others. I think I have already like solved kata from this dude. Completed, authored. Sum of intervals. Weird string case. Huh. Did I? Wow, this dude authored a lot of katas. Manhattan distance, this sounds familiar. Something like my friend had in school. Yeah. The professor just copied it. I guess I haven't finished any of his katas. I mean, I just did, so where is it? Yeah, it's this one. Count IP addresses. Yeah, we did that like 1 week ago. Okay. Well, this dude makes good clan, right? This dude makes good katas. Last seen December 2018. Well, too bad. Is he at least active in Git? Yeah, he is kind of. LOL inspect. I guess he is like a League of Legends programmer or something like that. I used to play League of Legends. Well, I don't know. So yeah, let's learn about this. I think it will help us in those one-liner solutions. And I'm gonna bookmark this one and read it. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.